All right. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna grill some really, really good steak, but we're gonna add a little twist to it, folks. We're gonna put something inside the steak, in the steak. Hold on, we gotta do something else first. I got me a brand new bottle, folks. So, you know, when you got a new bottle, you just have to do it. We're gonna start out small with the shotgun. All right, so it's been a while since I had a drink with you guys, so, you know, cheers. Let's go ahead and get this drink. It's been a little bit. Woo! Good starter right there, 12 gauge, baby. Now what we have here is some thin cut sirloin, straight from the butcher, and you know, this never saw the store or anything like that. Now, I was trying to figure out what to do with this, you know, how to cook it. And I said, you know what? I could slap these on the grill and cook them real quick, but they're gonna overcook, man. They're gonna do all that really fast cooking, and it's gonna be well done. Well, we don't want these well done. So I figured, you know what we can do? We can probably take these and roll them up. Well, first, put something in it, then roll it up, and then we can cook it, and then slice it, and maybe it won't be cooked all the way through, because we don't want meat cooked all the way through, not steak. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. So the idea is to take some of these good steaks right here, and we're gonna season them up first. What we have going is some good old Killer Hogs barbecue steak rub, and we're gonna do both sides of that. Now the idea is to take this spinach and artichoke dip, right? And the only reason we're gonna try this is because it expires soon. So we're gonna take this, put it in here, roll it up, put some butcher's twine around it, and see if we actually get a good result. That's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna get to that, see if we can get a good spread. And take this, and what we're gonna do is we're literally just gonna spread it in there, right? We're gonna spread it like this, right? We're gonna spread it around all the way in there. Doop-de-doop-de-doop. Spread it around, spread it around. Now there's gonna be some thin spots, so maybe that won't be, you know, the greatest thing on earth, but this shit is gonna be fantastic because I said so. Now, I'm gonna take one of these, then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna roll this up. I'm gonna roll it up like this. All right. Now we're gonna take the butcher's twine, like that, actually. And then we're gonna put it around, two of them. Cool? Tie her up. Boom. Like this. All right, we take another one, tie it up like that, and like that. Boom. All right, so now we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 more of those, and we'll be ready to go. All right, so this is what we have. We have 2 small and 3 large sirloins. The small one was actually large when I cut it because it was too thin, so I needed to make it somewhat symmetrical so I can tie it up. So we got these 2 little bite-sized ones here, 3 large ones, and they're all tied up with butcher's twine. They have spinach and artichoke dip inside, Killer Hogs on the outside, and now we're gonna go to the grill. We're gonna go hot and fast on these, and then we're gonna slice them up, and we're gonna have some goodness. We're trying to make little medallions. We'll see how good that works. If not, we're just gonna grab it with our hands and stuff it in our faces. All right, we're out here on the grill. It is hot as hell. That damn thermostat said 700 degrees, but I don't know if it's that hot, but we're about to see. We are about to see. It sure smells good. It's real hot, so let's get to work. There we go. So we're on the grill, and we're about to go about, I don't know, let's say 3 minutes, and then we'll give it a roll. I mean, hey, if we're gonna wait, damn steak going, shit, I got stuff to do. You know what it is, so let's get back to work. Hey, Part 2. Let's go. Cheers, baby. Yay! Woo! My head's spinning around. You know that one part in Beetlejuice? Where his head starts spinning around? Yay, 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 yay! Like that's what's happening in my dang brain right now with this tequila. Woo! I'm loving it. All right, let's go back out there before we burn this damn steak up. Right. 2 minutes later, you see the strings on my meat getting a little hot there. Cooking the strings. So let's go ahead and give this a nice flip if we can. Uh-oh, kind of stuck to the bottom. All right, roll that once. See if we can roll this one. There you go. Oh, 1 roll. That's all we're getting. 1 roll. Damn, that's hot. It's fucking hot as fuck, man. All right, 1 roll. Boom. There we go. All right, we're gonna let these sit in here for about 3 more minutes. That was about 3 minutes on one side, so about 3 minutes on the other. And then we'll be ready to take them in the house, man. We'll let them rest, and we'll go ahead and slice through them and see what we got for medallions, man. You know? See if we got some medallions. See if we got some money, meat money, medallions. What if we don't have medallions? What are we gonna do with it? We're gonna toss that stuff out? Hell no. We're gonna flatten it out. We're gonna put it on a sandwich and we're gonna eat it anyway. All right, let's see what we got. So we're gonna go ahead and take off these little ones, little babies. Look at that. Yeah, take off them little ones. Okay, let's check this big boy out. I mean, it looks done. But what is done with steak, right? This is a little experiment we're doing. So, with steak, I mean, done is done. It doesn't matter. It's always done. All right, so let's go ahead and take this one off too. All right, so this is what we're looking at after about a 5-minute rest. And I mean, it smells delicious. It looks appetizing. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab one of these little boys over here. We're gonna slice into it, see if we can get us a bite. Go ahead and move this one over here, and over here, over here. And eeny, meeny, miny, this is the one we want. Oh, move you too. And let's see if we can get a little bite. Look at that. Nice and, nice and, nice and, nice and, I don't even know what to say. All right, getting into that. Oh shit. Look, see that? Didn't even cook it all the way through, even the small ones. That's perfect. Look at that shit. Huh? All right. Now, let's see if we can get one with our stuffing in it. All right. All right. Stuffing in the middle. Let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. I mean, if it's going down, let's get it over with. Ooh-wee. Super juicy. Super juicy still. Got all the flavor in there. Spinach and artichoke dip and steak. I'm telling you, that's the way to go. Hold on, hold on. Where's the other piece? Fuck. Hey, that's it right there. Man, I'll tell you what. I would put the recipe in the comments, but it's pretty basic, man. You saw what I did. No recipe needed. Do it how you want to do it. Get some thin sliced sirloin. Go ahead, stuff it whatever you want. Wrap it in some butcher's twine. Grill it up. Let it rest. Slice it up. Man, get to it. I'll tell you what, that is really good eats. Man, I'm going to see you guys on the next one. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Football's on. So I got to do some stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.